What are you doing, Ashley? Ah, Ash.
It's like a humpback whale.
You doing what?
There's definitely something on mine, Grandma. Oh! Jerk it! Jerk it! I'm trying. No, there's not. Yeah! Woohoo! Can you throw mine out there?
Do it, Ash. Come on.
But what if the humpback whale tries to eat mine? That turtle was so close, I thought he was on mine. Well, jump up and grab it, okay, Grandma? Oh, I see it. Can't eat myself. Oh my God, look at that fish! Grandma, look at that fish! Did you just
Oh
see that?
my God!
Aw.
Oh, you sure that's a fish?
Yes! I'm scared. Look at me.
Who's recording that?
You are recording me.